Hello guys, come back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on your Play Store or your Apple Store. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do first is for you to go over to your Apple Store and go over to the search area and type in Instagram. Let me do that. And you can see it over here. They have different type Instagram saver, but let's go over to Instagram. And yeah, what you have to do is for you to install Instagram to your phone where it's showing updates. You just have to go there and tap on it, and Instagram will be downloaded and installed to your phone just like that. And guys, this is how you'll be able to download Instagram into your phone. And so this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.